everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we went to Aldi's, and so I'm going to share this grocery haul with you guys, show you everything that I found. I'm pleased with the deals that we found. We're stocking up on a few items. Some of the items like the chicken and a lot of the produce, of course, will be for this week, but we did stock up on some items as well, like the juices, the mac and cheese, tuna, those sorts of things. So I'll just start here in the front and I'll show you the meat. Here we bought some chicken nuggets for the kids. These will go in the freezer, but I always like to have like a quick go-to lunch item when we're in a rush or, you know, we just have something going on. It's good to have some easy go-to items. We also bought a whole chicken. We'll probably roast this for a dinner and then make chicken noodle soup out of it. I'll cook the bones and everything like that. We also went ahead and bought some chicken drumsticks. I think that's it for the meats. Here are some pantry items we're stocking up on. I have 3 containers of ketchup, some cheese, 3 jars of salsa. They didn't have the chips that we usually like to buy, so we didn't buy any salsa chips this time around. I bought some olive oil, 2 containers of Italian dressing, and some clam chowder. The kids like that from time to time, so we'll all enjoy some of that. We bought 2, 4, 6, 12, 24 boxes of mac and cheese. So we are set with mac and cheese for quite a while. We bought 48 cans of tuna, so we're also set with that. As far as baking goods go, we bought 2 bags of milk chocolate morsels. I'm still working on my pantry project, and I needed more sugar for the jar. So we bought 3 containers of organic cane sugar, 2 packages of brown sugar, and then back there is another stock up item. I believe there's 12 containers of the meat marinara sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yes, 12 containers of the meat marinara. And then here we have fettuccine. Baby, how many did you grab? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like 8 packages of fettuccine. My husband likes these pork rind chicharrones, so I grabbed him a bag of those. Some regular potato chips, and then some roasted vegetable crackers. Over here we have the produce. This time around we grabbed bananas, lemons, oranges. Well, this is all self-explanatory. Some green peppers, baby carrots, aroma tomatoes. They're tomatoes. Sort of an abnormal shape for aroma tomatoes, but they look amazing. They look great. We bought some sweet potatoes, 1 lonely can of pears, broccoli, iceberg lettuce, spinach, and I've been in the mood for celery, and so we bought some to have for our chicken noodle soup, some for a roast, and then I think the kids and I will enjoy some of this week with some peanut butter. So we have juice for like the next 2 weeks or so, some pineapple juice, 2 orange juice cartons, and then this juice here in the back is just to fall back on. I'll keep that in the pantry for whenever we need it. We have 3 apple and 2 grape. I also went ahead and I grabbed some tomato juice. The kids enjoy that from time to time. And then we have our almond milk to have for the next week or so. Here we grabbed some wipes just to use for multiple purposes. And then we grabbed 2 packages of toilet paper. I think that's about everything. I don't think I mentioned the banana chips. We bought some banana chips, and then I also bought these green tea bags, lemon green tea. That sounded really good. So $200. So that's everything that we bought at Aldi's this time around. I kind of stock up on things when I see it, like the sugar, the juices. We obviously will not need to buy juices anytime soon, but if I do see it for a great price, I may buy more in the near future. But yeah, I'm happy that we stocked up on foods, stocked up on the mac and cheese, the tuna, the pasta, and the marinara. We always need ketchup in the house, salsa. I think we did really good this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.